Hi everybody, Chris Hale here from Profit Squirrel, coming to you with another Profit Squirrel vlog. And today one thing I wanted to cover is Bookmaker help and Bookmaker live chat. When should you use it? What should you do with it? And I'm covering this topic because a few people have been asking our team, should I do this? Should I do that? Like, should I actually speak to the bookmaker about this topic or that topic? Or people are having particular problems with understanding what they should do with certain bets, and they're like, I don't know if I should reach out to the bookmaker about this, or if it's a Profit Squirrel Community question, or what do I do? So in this video I'm going to try and clear some of that up and give you a little bit of perspective on what's possible. So as you may well know, most of the big name bookmakers offer a live chat option in their support area. It's often the best way to get in touch with them quickly. You can see that I've got William Hill up here. I've also got Paddy Power up here, Bet365, just a few examples, but you'll find all of the big bookmakers have these. And you can also phone them as well if you have any questions, and that's probably the second quickest way to get a response. It's just really whatever you prefer. If you can't find a particular bookmaker live chat, as I've said before, what you do is you go ahead and you just search for it. So for example, Ladbrokes live chat, and there we have it. Basically the top three results are all to do with the Ladbrokes live chat, and I can click on one of those, bring up the window immediately in this case, or if you want to, you can probably go into their support section as well. So of course, Profit Squirrel is there for you in terms of answering any questions that you might have in terms of completing offers, understanding whether something is valuable. Maybe you've received an offer in an email. Is it worth your time doing? Reaching out to the team here at Profit Squirrel is a great way to get answers on those sorts of things. Or, of course, reaching out to the Profit Squirrel community. Those are the best two places if something concerns match betting or actually how to complete a particular offer. But if you maybe have a little query about something to do with logging into your account, withdrawals, things to do with the free bet that a bookmaker is specifically offering. So for example, what are the minimum odds? You just want to double check that. Or are there specific markets that I should place this bet on? Those things, you can sometimes get a faster reply if you actually contact the bookmaker directly. And of course, by all means, feel free to get in touch with our community or us here at Profit Squirrel. But as I said, the bookmaker might be able to give you an answer a little bit faster, and you shouldn't be afraid of speaking to them about the bet that you're trying to do. One thing I wouldn't do is I wouldn't actually mention that you're laying the bet at the other side, or that you're doing really any sort of match betting, because a lot of bookmakers, they don't really like that very much, and they may limit your account, or they won't be too keen on that if you're doing it too often. So it's really best just to limit your conversation to the stuff to do with the bookmaker bet or the free bonus that the bookmaker is offering. Another cool thing that you can do with the bookmaker chat is you can actually ask them for free bets. If you haven't had a free bet in a little while from them, or nothing good has come through or looks to be good on the website, then go ahead and ask them in the live chat if there are any free bets available that you could have placed on your account. It does work. I've done it myself a few times. And a particularly good day to ask is on a holiday like at Christmas or your birthday. Often you're entitled to some sort of free bet offer on your birthday, and you may not always be aware of it. So it's a good time just to reach out to the bookmakers and ask. You never know, you could be surprised. Any issues with setting up your account, things like logging in, adding a payment card, removing a payment card, withdrawing funds, depositing funds, those are all questions that you want to be asking the bookmaker themselves, because those sorts of things, they're all to do with the bookmaker's site and how the bookmaker has set up their website and account area. So they're going to be the only ones that can help you with that. Things like forgotten passwords, stuff like that. So make sure you reach out to the bookmaker directly for stuff like that. So that's essentially it. As a quick summary, anything to do with match betting or completing a specific offer, ask us in the Profit Squirrel community, reach out to us directly in the team, or ask people in the forum or Facebook group. Anything to do with your account, finding bets, finding particular markets or queries as to what exactly you need to do to qualify for a free bet, I recommend you ask the bookmakers directly. And of course, Google is there for you if you can't find a particular live chat. Just search the bookmaker followed by live chat and you'll be finding what you need pretty fast. Thanks so much for watching again, guys. Please hit subscribe if you've enjoyed this, and if you're interested in making money online or in match betting, then Profit Squirrel is going to be the thing you want to subscribe to. We're going to have new videos every single week talking about different topics in match betting. Again, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you very soon in another video.